I guess most of you have seen some of us by now in Team Techwiser.
There's a lot that goes while making videos on Techwiser. We have a video team which take care of shoots and edit. Then there's me who does scripting and hosting. And then we have a team of researchers who come up with awesome topics.
2018 was a big year at Techwiser, and hopefully this year will be as well. And what's a better way to start with it than getting to know the team that makes it work?
But to make things more interesting, everyone is going to choose one piece of tech that they can't live without. Hashtag Tech Lives Matter.
Okay, so I'm the only guy who needs no introduction. But if you're new, I'm Mrinal, the editor-in-chief at Techwiser. Which means I set the tone for what gets published on Techwiser. And one piece of tech that I can't live without has to be Slack. I use it every day to communicate with my team on what they are working on. The app has got every feature that you would need for communication. I just love it. And if I have to pick a second thing that I can't live without, well, you guessed it right, it's Audible. I listen to audiobooks every day before going to bed. And I have to say, it's one of the most productive habits I have developed over the year. Anyway, let's see what our video team has to say about their favorite tech.
Since Mrinal is a professional when it comes to retakes, shooting and editing videos can take a long time, especially if you're a perfectionist like me. Thankfully, I have these Bose QC35-2s for all my editing needs. I not only use my QC35s on those noisy flights with crying babies, but I also put these on just to use its active noise cancellation. And don't get me started on the comfort now. It's extremely lightweight and doesn't press up against your head. But listen up guys, this is the legit brag now. So whenever I watch a video on the laptop and happen to get a call, the headphones pauses the video and automatically switches the audio input to my smartphone. And once I hang up, the video plays back on. I know, right? It's dope. So I don't share these with anyone now. Not even Nitish.
That's alright Rohit, I'm anyway minimalist when it comes to life. But while researching for videos, I have to test a lot of apps, which often leads to clutter that I really don't like. I mean, just look at the number of pages on my phone. One piece of tech that I use the most is a tiny app called Fast Finder, which helps me quickly find my contacts, my photos, and even my apps, just like my favorite one, PUBG Mobile. So when I'm not editing videos, I like to land in Pochinki and kill some enemies to get that chicken dinner. Hey Kaushal, wanna go for a duo?
No, I'm good. I'm just gonna finish up some work here. Hi, I'm Kaushal by the way, and I work on blogs at Techwiser. I browse a lot of forums and websites, and I'm always on the lookout for problems to fix. Opening a new tab just to look at an image doesn't really make sense. The most crucial app in my web browsing experience is HoverZoom Plus. It's actually a Chrome extension which loads the image on your browser without clicking on the thumbnail. I can just take the cursor to the hyperlink and the image just pops up. It might sound basic, but the time saved by this extension quickly adds up. I could be looking for an image for the blog, casually browsing for cute cat pictures, or taking over Pratik's photos for editing.
Hold on, no one edits my photos. I do it all by myself. And by the way, my most go-to app which I cannot live without is the Lightroom mobile app. Damn, all the stuff that you can do on the system, you can do it right here on the phone. Pretty heavy stuff.
Heavy stuff? Do you know what I do with my phone? I just watch American Netflix all day. And that's why my pick for tech I can't live without is SmartVPN. This is not a promotion for SmartDNS proxy or anything, but if you're a smartphone user like me, you'll love it. Link in the description below. Just kidding.
Alright Vamsi, enough of the Kiwi accent. Hi, I'm Arjit and I take care of the research and writing team at techwiser.com. Managing teams and their work involves a lot of conversations, and since I'm mostly on the go, my favorite piece of tech is Apple Watch. The presets on my Apple Watch help me to be quick and always available. I can send a quick reply to texts or emails and make calls without having to take out my phone. And since I'm completely in the Apple ecosystem, my AirPods make the watch even better experience. Making calls through the watch makes more sense when I have the AirPods connected to it. And of course, music. Well, I don't miss the iPod anymore.
So yeah, that was Team Techwiser, and those were their picks for the tech they can't live without. Some of them are not the best in my opinion. I mean the tech, not the guys. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you want to see more such videos? Like always, it's Mrinal. Okay, it's Team Techwiser signing off. I will see you in the next one.